Welcome back to my channel, everyone. I am back with the February brown sugar box unboxing. So I'm just gonna remove the bag that the box comes in. And oh wow, we have a new brown sugar baby. Look at those curls. So this is the February box. And let's see how this box compares to last month's box, which by far has been my favorite brown sugar unboxing. So here is the inside of the box with the pink fluff. Just gonna slide that off to the side, and this month's theme looks to be the baddest black women of the past, 3 black feminists you should know, 10 ways to honor Black history every day, 5 fictional career women we love, boss women playlist. And this month's box has a value of $109. So there is the cover and the content page of this month's box. So let's see. There is a Black Girl Power shirt. There is an African inspired satin bonnet, which is great because I need a new bonnet for nighttime. There is the Urban Intellectuals Black History Month Cards Volume 2. There is a phenomenal Black woman notebook. I love the cover of that. There is a gold feather pen. That will be perfect because I was using this pen at work and now I need to replace the ink cartridge in it, and I've not had a chance to run out and pick it up. So everyone at work is fascinated with my pens. So to show up tomorrow with a gold feather pen after this gold diamond pen is going to be on point. And then there is a Naturalicious Heavenly Hydration Grapeseed Hair Mist. And I'm all about natural hair softening. So this looks to be an interesting box. So we'll just dive right in. So right here on top of the box is literally the gold feather pen, which has a retail value of $10. And I'm going to just slide that out here. And there's the tip. I'm just going to grab a piece of paper here and see. It has a good ink flow to it. So there is the first item for this month. And that will go perfectly with the notebook, which is probably in the bottom of this box. So the next item is a 4 fluid ounce grapeseed hair mist. And it is for hydration. So here is the bottle. I'm not going to spray it, but I am going to unscrew the top, and it has a really nice smell. The consistency is kind of milky. Let's see. But it has a really nice smell, so I will definitely give that a try. It is a conditioning mist and hair strengthener. It says shake well before using. Mist hair with Naturalicious Heavenly Hydration Grapeseed Hair Mist to soften and moisturize hair. So that's item number 2, and this has a $14 retail value. It says, you had me at heavenly. This hydration hair mist by Naturalicious is packed with all good vibes, full of nourishing ingredients like grapeseed and avocado oil. A few sprays is all it takes to get your tresses together. Instantly softens hair for a touchable, luxurious look and feel. Grapeseed oil strengthens your hair every time you spray. Avocado oil thoroughly conditions and protects each strand. Add shine with no greasy buildup. And if you're looking for this product, you can find it at www.naturalicious.net. $14 retail value. The next is the Urban Intellects Black History Month cards. It's 52 cards of Black girl magic. Get empowered and get informed. Center your Black history and women's history on learning about the Black women who have impacted our culture and the world. Brought to you by the folks at Urban Intellectuals. And their website is urbanintellectuals.com/brown sugar. That's if you want to pick up volume 1. So that's interesting. And these have a retail value of $25. The next item is a satin bonnet, and it's just black and white. They had it, it's retail valued at $18, and they have a couple of different options, and mine is the black and white. So that's this month. It's really soft. All right. So there we are with that. The next is the Phenomenal Black Woman Notebook, and this has a retail value of $14. It says, for the Lenas, Tinas, and Ninas of today, keep your ideas, hopes, and dreams alive in a notebook dedicated to the phenomenal women who paved the way for me, for you, for us. 100 gray ruled sheets. So here they are, and it looks like this is wide ruled, which is perfect. That's my preference over college ruled paper. And I think what I'm going to do, because I am working on opening my own firm in 2019, I've got to work on putting a business plan together, and I think this will be an inspirational place for me to capture my notes and my to-do list and things to stay on track for that in 2019. So I really, really like this. And let's see, I believe the last, and here is the with the pen. But this is going to work because everybody's already talking about pens, so I might as well keep them on track. And then the last thing is the Black Girl Power shirt. And I've got on a different shirt that did not come in a brown sugar box, but I'm enjoying my expansion of my t-shirt collection. And this is my Black Queen, the most powerful piece in the game shirt. And now, and I'm getting ready to actually go see Black Panther without the bonnet on. But this one I like. I have a couple of handbags color-wise that will go with this. And you know what? I actually may switch. I may switch and put, that's getting hot. I may switch and put this one on for today. I actually think that's what I'm going to do. So that's it for this month's box. I like this box because I will absolutely use this. I'm getting ready to turn the iron back on, and I'm going to put this on. You know, no, I think I'm going to stick with this one. I'll do this maybe next weekend. And the pen I will put with my work stuff, so I will absolutely be using that this week. This could not be more perfect because I've got notes scattered all over the house in different notebooks. So to get everything consolidated in one place will be perfect. And my nephew, so my mom and my nephew and my sister were at church last Sunday in Tennessee, and the church that they attend actually did a live historical museum for Black History Month. And there were several set up in the church gymnasium, and what they did was allow people to go around and actually meet different people from Black history. So the person, you know, the members of the church were actually dressed up, and they educated the members as they walked through the gymnasium about who they were and what their role was in Black history. So I think it'll be fun to go through this with my nephew, because he learned a lot last week and it has piqued his interest. He's been Googling a lot of things from a Black history standpoint. And for me, it'll be interesting as well to see some more of the contributions of Black women. So that's all I have. That's this month's brown sugar box. This is absolutely a subscription that I look forward to getting every month. I've got